Hello?
Uche.
Which one?
Uche. Chineke me. Igwe.
Yeah, Which one? No, if you want it, cry out the goose come. Then, Chineke guys, what's the thing he's doing over there? Then. Send the 200 million. Which time? No. Clear the goose. I said I will come pay that money. How do you do like this? Don't worry. You have a visitor. I will call you. Don't worry. I will call you. Okay. Hey! Biggie.
Which
Wala yana magozo. Na grebu.
I'll say that future lay.
Oh, there is a chair over there. Big chair over there. Come and sit down.
Oh, yeah, okay, let's stand.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, come and go and stand at the husband.
Hey, girly.
Girly.
How far now?
Tennis, this your girly. Your brother is sick. He take him for emergency yesterday night. The doctor say he for put him in coma. So he did for coma 1 month. He say for put him in coma for 1 month. So he need 10,500. Don't cry.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, don't cry.
Oga
dey for you. Oga will send you the money now.
It's okay.
Don't cry. So,
and what happened?
I don't know. Yesterday I cried.
Oh, it's okay. Don't cry. Oh, it's okay.
He dey for coma.
Mama. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. How much will you need?
15 million. How about 15 million?
150 million. Okay. 150. It's okay.
The brother, his name is Kwaku. So I'm carrying the brother in hospital in the coma.
It's okay. It's okay. That's the Kwakwe. His name is Kwakwe.
So I'm carrying him to come back.
It's okay. It's okay. Let me check the amount I have on my phone. Oh, what is this? It's okay. Don't cry. It's okay. Let me check. The money.
Okay, check it. Send more, sweetheart. Send more.
Don't worry about it. Let me check.
Send more.
Train a new coronavirus. Train a yellow will be running more. And 2 more
how much you say you need?
150 million. 10,500.
10,500.
Yeah.
Let me touch.
Send more.
I have only 10,000 over.
Send them.
You like it?
So 3 days time we will come for the rest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I said 3 days time I will to the account.
3 days time I'll come.
You will come for the rest then?
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. Everything will be okay, okay?
It's
okay. Oh. Don't cry. You should not cry. Everyone can cry like this.
The thing is worrying me.
Okay.
So if I
don't
have
worry.
money, I could pay him now.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Let me see. 1,000. So, what is the number?
0554 33 22.
Repeat it again.
0554 33 22.
Okay, you come. Exactly. Don't worry about it, eh?
Abba, you know, we are going to the hospital.
I think say maybe you people will
No.
sit there.
He brother no, eh? He brother Kwaku, eh? It be his sister where they take care of her at the hospital. So
I will come later.
So
Okay.
later evening time.
I will come later.
Yeah.
I will come, okay?
Okay,
Don't worry,
okay.
I will come.
So we come, eh?
So try to come on.
Okay, now.
Hey, Gali, you didn't give me kiss. Gali, come and give me kiss. Come and give me kiss now. Gali.
Tonight, okay?
Gali, come and give me kiss. Gali.
This guy cannot guess they are very sweet. If they pay money, I don't know the reason why, but the way I love this guy, if he come, we say nah, he don't have money or he need help. No, fast I send him. I they love him too much. My mommy dey now for my village, na Nigeria. I know they send her money. Now send her give her this na woman because of na boom. How na this thing happen like this? We go make like say na me they send the money for na this one. If you love where they catch me now, love.
When love caught you, if there's some money, add your best. Check it out, 1, 2, y'all.
Mr. Benchik on the beat.
Wooche, nene, wooche, nene, wooche, nene, wooche, nene, wooche.